Hey guys, so I got asked the other day by another line marker why we don't spray our lines when we do indoor line marking. And the answer is very simple. It looks shit. That's all there is to it. But don't get me wrong, spraying indoors is very, very quick, very easy. And a lot of people get away with it, make it look okay. And if their customers are happy paying them, then, kudos to them. But for me, I think it looks shit. Let me show you what we do when we hand apply. This is hand applied finish. Everything you see along here. So we've still got the gray infills to go, gray all along the middle, and this is all going to be hand applied. And what we get is a really sharp, defined edge when you hand apply. So what I'm looking for is this edge here, looking really nice and sharp, as well as that inside edge. And what we don't want to see is that thick, sort of painted ridge that you get when you spray. The other thing that really bothers me about spraying is corners. So what I mean is corners like this. You would look at this and think that is one continuous line all the way along. You wouldn't know that it's painted in two separate sections. And that's the point. When you spray these in, you have like a ridge that comes all the way down here, and then this side you'll have exactly the same where it ridges all the way along there. You also get feathering if you spray. Feathering happens because normally people don't tape if they're spraying because the tape gets lifted up by the pressure of the spray machine. And so they don't bother. Instead, what they'll do is they chalk it out and they'll literally just spray the line straight in. And along the edges, you get this sort of fluffy effect. Now, this side hasn't been painted yet, but you get like a fluffy effect on the edge. So you see like a yellow powder on either side. And that's the fluffy, shitty effect you get when you're spraying. Now, in a car park, you won't notice it. It's absolutely fine, and that's okay. But indoors, I don't agree. I think it looks like shit. And when people put pictures up of their lines and they're really proud of them, and you can see the spray lines, you can see an inconsistent spray pattern where it wobbles in and out, you can see the tram lines on it, you can see those feathered edges, you can see the overlaps. I just think, Jesus, come on, you guys must have been doing this a lot longer than me, and yet the quality of the work you're putting out, pretty shit. So that's my take on it anyway. If I don't let my guys spray anything indoors. I would only hand apply. But of course, you do what's good for you, I'll do what's good for me. And at the end of the day, if your customers are happy paying you, then carry on doing it. Who am I to say otherwise? Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.